Okay, so I want to talk about the student-led parent conference, and I would love to show you images of some replies I've gotten back from parents, but I kind of, just for privacy's sake, feel like it's better just to show you the documents. But the student-led parent conference, the agenda, this is something new that I added this year, and now that we've used the student-led parent conference for about 2 to 3 times now, I'm finding that this is just so useful. The more straightforward, simple it can get for students, the better. And there are several documents involved here. So having an agenda to lead them through the conference has been a great addition to the student-led parent conference because I didn't use this last year. It has really been beneficial. The form that goes with it that the parents and the students fill out has been the same. The understanding your grade was the same, and then the other document here, the public victory, where the students self-evaluate and then the parents evaluate. That is the same. I always get really good feedback from parents. If their student's already doing great, then they just praise their student. If they have questions, this is a great way for some of the parents who feel like they are bothering you. If they email, I still have some parents who feel like they're going to bother me. This is an easy way for them to feel comfortable giving me feedback or asking questions, and I try to always follow up on those. It's been great. The understanding your grade piece of this has been really, really good because in our school, all of the math teachers follow standards-based grading. It's very unique, very different. It's very difficult for parents to understand. So I not only have videos on my website explaining it, I send this home to explain it. I keep re-explaining it because it is just so difficult for everybody to sort of wrap their brain around. And I completely understand that. And I never want parents nor students to think that their grade is a mystery. They need to have a very clear understanding of how they are being assessed. And so in my building, and I'm not bragging, but this year I've had a much, much better time of parents understanding how their students are being graded. In fact, my principal came to me and said, look, some of your fellow teachers who do standards-based grading, I'm getting some questioning from parents. They're calling in, they're asking the office questions about how they're being graded because they just don't feel like they're being told or explained, how this all works. But yet I keep getting parents calling me saying that you are making it very clear. Whatever you're doing, I really need you to share that with other people because your parents are all saying that they really appreciate how much information they have, and other parents are saying that they're not getting enough information. And really, I believe you can't over-communicate. So, to keep giving them the same message in multiple ways, I think is just beneficial. I'm getting feedback from parents that is beneficial, so it has been worth it to me. So I really love this student-based conference system since we don't do conferences as a school. And the feedback I keep getting is that it's so helpful, it's so beneficial. I'm not getting near the volume of emails with asking questions about grading that I have in the past. So I really feel like it has been beneficial. So if you are doing any kind of non-traditional grading, definitely consider these multiple avenues of getting that information out to your parents so they understand and are on board with what you're doing in the classroom.